Munch, munch, chew, chew. Healthy food is good for you. Breakfast time, clap your hands.